Rescue and rehabilitation of an Indian rock python, Python Molurus, first case study from Pakistan. Pythons are facing the threat of extinction due to human annihilation and interference in natural habitats of pythons. Indian rock python, Python Molurus, has been stated as lower risk, near threatened by International Union for the Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Therefore, there is an intense need to change the perception of people and encourage them to coincide with this big snake. Current study involved the rescue and rehabilitation of an Indian rock python, P. Molurus, spotted at the shrine of Baba Shahji, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Python was grasped by skilled snake catchers and taken to the wildlife sanctuary in Balkazar Research Complex, Chakwal, Pakistan for the purpose of conservation. The python was kept in cage designed for reptiles, especially for snakes, having proper soil bed and shelter. Proper hygienic condition is maintained in the cage with climbing structures for the python, and an adult chicken is fed to it every week. After rescuing, the python was force-fed, however the natural feeding behavior of constriction and killing of prey was resumed by it after few weeks. Rescue, rehabilitation and release of pythons create a coexisting environment in between pythons and human being instead of python-human conflict, ultimately decreasing the risk of population decline of large snakes.